Panda Protector, the guardian of bamboo forest. In the heart of a lush bamboo forest, where harmony and tranquility reigned, lived a community of animals, each playing their part in the delicate balance of nature. This serene world, painted with shades of green and teeming with life, was a sanctuary for its inhabitants. Among them were the pandas, symbols of peace, spending their days in the gentle pursuit of bamboo. However, tranquility was shattered when a malevolent force, known as the Deforester, cast a dark shadow over the forest. This villain, driven by greed and a disregard for nature, arrived with machines that threatened to destroy the forest and its inhabitants. Fear rippled through the animal kingdom as the once peaceful forest faced imminent devastation. In these desperate times, a beacon of hope emerged in the form of an old, wise panda named Master Zen. Perceiving the grave danger, he made a decision that would change the fate of the forest. Master Zen saw potential in Ping, a young and spirited panda. He decided to bestow upon Ping extraordinary powers, transforming him into a guardian of the forest. Ping's transformation took place in a mystical part of the forest, a hidden sanctuary untouched by the chaos that loomed. Here, surrounded by an ethereal glow, Ping meditated, absorbing the ancient energies of the forest. He emerged not just as a panda, but as the Panda Protector, endowed with remarkable strength, agility, and a deep connection to the forest. The Panda Protector faced his first challenge soon after, confronting robotic scouts sent by the Deforester. With his newfound agility, he deftly outmaneuvered them, showcasing his prowess as a defender of the forest. This victory, however, was just the beginning. As the Deforester's machines advanced, many animals found themselves trapped and helpless. Displaying not just strength but also compassion, the Panda Protector embarked on a mission of rescue. His acts of heroism bolstered the spirits of the forest dwellers, instilling in them a sense of hope. The confrontation with the Deforester was inevitable. The Panda Protector faced this villain, a symbol of the struggle between the natural world and unbridled technological advancement. Despite his courage and strength, the Panda Protector struggled against the Deforester's advanced machinery. It was a battle of not just brawn but also wits and will. In this moment of crisis, the Panda Protector remembered Master Zen's teachings about the power of unity. He rallied the animals of the forest, each contributing their unique abilities to the cause. This unity turned the tide of the battle. Together, they overwhelmed the Deforester, a victory that symbolized the triumph of nature's harmony over destruction. With the Deforester defeated, the forest erupted in joyous celebration. Animals of all kinds cheered for their hero, the Panda Protector, whose bravery and leadership had saved their home. The bamboo forest was safe once again, its peace and beauty restored. In the aftermath, Ping returned to Master Zen, who greeted him with a nod of approval. The old panda knew that the forest had found its true guardian in the Panda Protector. As peace settled over the bamboo canopy, the forest resumed its tranquil rhythm, guarded by a hero who had once been just an ordinary panda.